Alright. So, this is my plant cell project. Looks kinda cool, huh? I guess. I like that. That's the order in which I did it all in. That was quite some time. Alrighty. So, alright, this is my plant cell for biology. 5th period. I'm Bobby Hall. Advanced biology. Let's start with the outside. So, as you can see here, there is this green stuff on the outside of the cell here. This is the cell wall. It provides structure for the cell, and it also protects the cell from outside things. It is, fun fact, I found out while researching this, it is about 10 to 100 big, which is pretty cool. Yeah, so this green stuff is, green stuff on the outside is the cell wall. Now you might see this yellow stuff here. And you see this, alright, hang on. Alright. Hold up a minute. Probably should have turned that off first. Alright. So you see all this, this yellow stuff here? That is the cell membrane. It allows stuff in and out of the cell in case it well, not in case, but like stuff that the cell needs is allowed in and out of the cell and through the cell membrane. Okay. Okay. Let's move on to another very important thing. How about the nucleus and the nucleolus? So, this dark blue stuff here is the, well, yes, this dark blue stuff here is the nucleus. This is where all the DNA is, and it also controls the entire cell. The DNA holds all of the organism's genetic info. So, yeah. I kinda don't want to do that. But yeah. Hang on. Let's see what that is in just a minute. this guy right here. This guy is the nucleus. Alright. Alright. Now, you see this guy? This green guy right here, dark green, is the Nucleolus. Give me a second and I'll look at my paper again on what that is. Let me see here. Got several different sheets here. Where is it? Yeah, okay. That's right. Okay, wire. Alright. So, this guy is basically the center for the ribosome synthesis or something like that. No, not ribosome synthesis. Let me see again. Alright. This thing responds to the cell's stress and also is where ribosome biogenesis occurs. It's supposed to be one of the biggest things in the cell, yet it's inside the nucleus. Oh well. We'll get to this little guy right here in a minute. But first, I want to show you this. Now, I know you're thinking this kind of looks like a weird brain-looking guy here. But it's not the outside that matters. Well, it will in a second here. Right now, it's about the inside that matters. So here we are to another outside but inside portion. Alright, let's make our way in here. And as you see, we have this galaxy sort of looking dude here, or dudes. These are the ribosomes. The ribosomes make all the protein, and it's where translation occurs, where all the messenger RNA is, and tRNA works together to make all the codons from the DNA template turn it into proteins. So all these guys cover up the entire nucleus, and just about the entire nucleus. Not all of it, but a good bit of it. And not these guys cover it up. These guys are held by something else that covers a good bit of the nucleus up. But yeah, that's what the ribosomes do, is make proteins. Now, what are we in, you ask? That is the rough endoplasmic reticulum, I believe. Yeah, I think so. The RER. It holds all the ribosomes and is responsible for manufacturing manufacturing the proteins for the Golgi Golgi. I don't know how to pronounce it. Body to box it up and ship it out to different parts in the cell. Now, it, the now we'll see what you were asking about earlier. We'll probably asking about. No. Now, what is this guy? This smooth guy is the smooth endoplasmic reticulum. It sort of protects the rough endoplasmic reticulum, and it just sort of like carefully transports the proteins outside of here into the Golgi body, well, over towards the Golgi body. The proteins are taken over to there. But yeah, smooth endoplasmic reticulum, rough endoplasmic reticulum, ribosomes. Alright, now, to get back over to that guy. This little guy here, this little turd here, took me another while to complete. Probably one of the longest whiles. I just thought of myself, you know what, no, I'm not making multiple of these. Because that was just ridiculous. But yeah, this guy is he is one of the many, 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 ugh, hang on, sorry, I'm recording this at like 11 p.m. Alright. This mitochondria is part of the many, many, many mitochondria in a cell. The mitochondria is like the power plant of the cell. Just like the nucleus is the command center of the cell, the mitochondria is the power plant of the cell. And the reason why I say the power plant is because it creates energy for the cell to do what it needs. But yeah, such a small, tough guy to make. Yet at the same time, such importance. Alright, Alright, let's go over to this orange ball over here. This orange ball is the lysosomes. Hold up. This orange ball is one of the multiple lysosomes, which it's very rare to find the lysosomes in a plant cell because the cell wall already protects this inside of the cell from invaders, and the cell wall already breaks down macromolecules. But yeah, the lysosome, it holds some enzymes that are used for breaking down foods and breaking down macromolecules and outside invaders of the cell, so that way the cell can stay safe. So he's like our little bodyguard. Yeah, really, he should be huge. I don't know if there's only one or if there's multiple in a cell. I would assume there's multiple to be able to keep it safe. Alright. Almost done here. Hang on. Okay, there we go. It is currently 9, or not 9, but 11:22. I gotta get the sound going on. Oh! The heck happened? This big guy here is the Golgi Body. Golgi Body right here, guys. Oh, Miss Stark. I don't know if you're gonna show this video to the whole class or not. If so, hello future me, or if so, then let me just show you something in action real quick. Wait. This ain't gonna be perfect. Alright. If so, then, hello me. Hello me. From the future, I guess. And hello class. Hello. Alright, anyway, back to here. The Golgi Body, I think I pronounced that right. The Golgi Body, as I said earlier, the smooth endoplasmic reticulum, sends the proteins over to, the Golgi Body, where the Golgi Body sort of, like, manufactures it, or not manufactures it, but like, it basically like, puts them into like packages or something like that, and then, making sure that they're all good, and then from there, they're shipped out to the rest of the cell, meaning they're shipped out to here, they're shipped out to here. They're shipped out to this little mitochondria. Like hundreds of mitochondria. Just still, can't even say that word on here right now. Okay. Alright. 3 more things to go through. I know you're thinking, Bobby, what do you mean 3? Well, there's one thing on here that if I put in yet, I wouldn't be able to show you guys all of this. Anyway, chloroplast. The sac looking thing here is the chloroplast, and it holds all of the chlorophyll, which makes the oxygen. It's sort of like the lungs of the cell. It converts the carbon dioxide to oxygen in cellular respiration, or not cellular respiration, but in photosynthesis. So yeah, these guys are very important. These little sacs with these little balls, they they are the founder of our existence, basically. Just about. Without these guys, we wouldn't be here. Thank you. Alright, anyway, moving on to the final two items. This big looking sac thingy over here is called the large vacuole. And basically all it does is it serves as storage for the cell, for like food and stuff like that, and also waste storage, meaning like waste management. And yeah, so what's that word called again? Waste disposal, that's right. This guy here is he is responsible for the plant cells storage for food. It's like as in glucose, which is sugar. It's also responsible for waste disposal. And yeah, that's what this guy does. Waste disposal and storage. Now, hold up real quickly though. You see these black lines? Yeah, forget about this. These guys, these guys are not really important. I just sort of used them earlier when trying to make a outline for this. So hang on, let me just boom. Ugh. Uh-oh. There we go. Alright, now that they are all out of the way, I'm going to show you what the final thing is. You ready? What I'm gonna do, is I'm going to grab, you know what? I don't know. Nah. Yeah. Yes, the final person is the no, not cell membrane, but the cytoplasm. It cushions all of the I like to call them organs of the cell, because if you think about it, the cell is just another organism. And a bunch of cells is just a bunch of organisms trying. Well, no, an organism is basically just a lot of organisms working together to create a bigger organism. So I like to think of the cell as an organism itself, and then all the parts of the cell: nucleus, ribosomes, vacuole, cell membrane, or cell wall. I like to think of all of those as the organs of the cell. But the cytoplasm, just all it really does is it cushions all of those and makes sure that nothing's like bong bong bong, you know? It's not like all over the place as something's moving, because that could really destroy everything inside the cell, and that could destroy the cell itself. So yeah, it's very important. But yeah, that is my plant cell. I hope you liked it. Stay tuned for or not stay tuned, but can't wait for the next project for VR. It's gonna be awesome. And peace out. Alright. I'm gonna go play with my lightsaber. Cool. Now I get to play with my lightsaber. You know what? Yes, I like this guy. Still have to make this man, but I got the job done. Oh no, we need to run. He's going down. Alright, now we go play with my lightsaber. Ah, yes. Lightsaber. Fear me, Dark Lord. Wait a minute. Oh, crap. See you tomorrow, Miss Stark. Peace out.